Welcome back, everyone, to another comparison video where today, we're delving deep into the differences between Zelle and Wise. Transfer speed and fees. Zelle enables instant transfers between participating banks and credit unions within the U.S., often without any associated fees for users. Conversely, Wise offers competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees for international transactions, albeit with slightly longer processing times compared to Zelle's instantaneous transfers. Integration with banking services. Zelle seamlessly integrates with numerous banks and financial institutions across the U.S., allowing users to initiate transfers directly from their existing bank accounts via mobile banking apps or online banking platforms. Wise, on the other hand, functions independently of traditional banking systems, offering users the flexibility to fund transfers via bank transfers, debit cards, or credit cards. Currency exchange and multi-currency accounts. Zelle primarily focuses on domestic transfers within the U.S. and does not offer currency exchange services or multi-currency accounts. Wise, however, specializes in currency exchange services, allowing users to send money abroad in various currencies while benefiting from transparent exchange rates and low fees. Additionally, Wise offers multi-currency accounts, enabling users to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, making it an ideal solution for frequent travelers and international businesses. Security and customer support. Zelle, integrated into participating banks, leverages the security protocols of these financial institutions, which typically include encryption and fraud monitoring. However, the quality and availability of customer support may fluctuate depending on the individual bank, potentially resulting in varying levels of assistance and response times for Zelle users. In contrast, Wise maintains a robust security framework, complying with stringent regulatory standards and holding licenses from relevant authorities. Its dedicated customer support channels, encompassing email, chat, and phone, ensure that users receive prompt assistance and guidance with their transactions. User interface and experience. Zelle offers a straightforward and user-friendly interface, seamlessly integrated into participating banks' mobile banking apps and online platforms. Users can easily initiate transfers to contacts using only their email address or phone number. In contrast, Wise provides a user-friendly platform accessible via web browser or mobile app, allowing users to initiate transfers with ease and track the status of their transactions in real time. Wise's intuitive interface also includes features such as rate alerts and transaction history for enhanced user experience. Transaction limits and availability. Zelle typically imposes daily and monthly transaction limits set by participating banks, which may vary depending on the user's bank and account type. Wise, on the other hand, offers flexibility in transaction limits, allowing users to send large sums of money internationally within regulatory constraints. Additionally, Wise operates 24/7, enabling users to initiate transfers at any time, whereas Zelle transactions may be subject to the operating hours of the user's bank. Exchange rates and transparency. Wise is known for offering transparent exchange rates and low fees for international transfers, providing users with real-time quotes and visibility into the fees associated with their transactions upfront. In contrast, Zelle's exchange rates for domestic transfers within the U.S. are typically determined by participating banks, and users may not have as much transparency regarding fees and exchange rates compared to Wise's comprehensive fee structure. Features and functionality. Zelle's functionality is integrated into the mobile banking apps of participating banks, offering users the convenience of initiating transfers directly from their existing banking app. However, the features and user experience may vary depending on the bank's app design and functionality. Wise provides a standalone mobile app with features such as real-time exchange rate alerts, transaction tracking, and biometric authentication for enhanced security. The Wise app also allows users to manage multi-currency balances and set up recurring payments,